All right, welcome everyone, and welcome to part two of how to create your own watch list. This episode, we're going to be focusing more so on moving averages combined with downtrend breaks in order to find our next leg up. Now, first thing we want to do is identify the major moving average that's holding price up or down. Now, we see that is clearly the 50 DMA here and the 20 DMA here. The 100 doesn't really concern us. So, we see that so long as price is below these two, then we will not see any continued movement upwards. Now, luckily for it, it has reclaimed its 20-day moving average, so that was the first step. Next step was to clear this downtrend. We got it broken, and finally, sorry about that, we need to get back over our 50 DMA. So we're looking left to plan right. This breaks, it's also setting up confluence with the 243. So you have to be really patient when it comes to these setups. You can't just go in right away. You have to have all your indicators set up confluence with each other. Let's take a look at another name, Facebook. So Facebook here, we have another downtrend working against us, and the 20 DMA acting as obvious magnetism towards the candles. We see again here, 20 DMA holding price down with the help of the 50. Now, how do we go for continuation? We see we're above all major moving averages, which is the 50, 100, and 200. Now, we just need to reclaim that 20, sets us up to break that downtrend and see our next move up. So, hope this video, sorry about that, has taught you guys a little bit of the tips and tricks of how to find continuations or the actual start of the downtrend breakout. Use this along with what we have learned in the previous video to build yourself a nice little watch list, and look out for part 3 coming up next week. Thanks for tuning in.